Netflix apps is not displayed on your TV. So how to fix it? In this video we will know that step by step. So guys, if Netflix apps is missing on your smart TV, so how to back it and how to fix it? So let's start the video. Find setting option on your TV. So guys, here setting option on my TV, and after that click here and find here apps option. Okay, click here apps option. And after that guys, click here see all apps. Okay, and after that guys, in this list find here Netflix application. Okay, so guys, you can see here there are a Netflix application. Okay, now click on it, and if the guys this option is disabled, I will show you. Click on it. Okay, and if guys this option is displayed here under this list, click here enable option. Okay, and enable it. And after that guys, click here clear cache, not clear data, only clear cache. Click on it and click here OK. And after that guys, click here permission. And after that guys, you can see here Netflix file and media not share here. Click on it and click here allow only while using the app. Check this checkbox. Go back. Okay, and go back. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here on your smart TV. So guys, if your problem is fixed here, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.